Today we keep continue to say about the share is the mode e also can be machine on the oblique plan design oblique position for angle as specific in the b axial direction by axial machine. So the tool from the rear we can drill them and 6 hole. The HYCY mode can be selected for machine model capable of the back machine. For the line machine, unit C mode cannot be selected. The ZC, HC, and CC mode can be selected for a fast machine unit. Precaution for milling with the lower torrent. First, the machine operating the single workpiece in panel machine mode. 2. The machine operated only in the point machine mode in drill, reverse, inverse, west hole machine, reaming, tapping, and boring. See the note 2 below as possible. See note 1 below. Counterbore machine, back boring, circular milling, and counterbore tapping is impossible. It is possible to use the ZC AC mode C note 1. It is not possible to use ZY HY mode. The machine do not operate in line on the first machine mode. The lower throttle can be used for manual unit operation by simulator simultaneous machine with the milling tool mount with the upper and lower torrent is possible. Machine anti-Y operation result in alarm. For example, cycle 2, boring cycle 1 and 2 can be used. Alarm occurs for low torrent mill and spindle orientation. 2 is the push B. When the machine applicate plane specific angle B, the oblique plane with the plan with respect to reference angle of the 0 degree of the edge. The data will become valid when the CY mode is selected. The machine mode having B push /C the specific position of C. The data item will become valid. ZY mode is selected. This is the point machine unit. You see this point machine unit. First equivalent to contour boring machine, inverse force hole machine, rim tapping, boring through boring, nano through hole, and boring of step through hole. Boring step back circular milling counter boring tap. Boring step none through hole back hole below mirroring. Yes, is a boring out. So this is the point machine unit, different type of point machine, and second is the procedure of the selecting point machine. Press menu selecting key correlation right display following with the point machine, line machine, press machine, turning manual program, and the shape check and slash. Press the point machine manual key following unit manual will be displayed. There are drilling, right center, right back, right center boring, right back center boring, rimming tapping boring, back center boring, circular mill and center boring trap and drilling use. Press appropriate manual key of desired machine unit. The boring manual key is pressing unit manual of following machine. It is boring is the for manual for function high spindle drill use manual key section automated tool develop cemented cabin drill. Three, the unit that the automated tool develop point machine, the drill. Select the drill unit machine of the hole. This is the diameter, this is chamfer, the depth, and to drill chamfer. There's the deployment is always executive center drill. Yes, I think that this is not important. So it's the same. Then see drill. 2 is counter boring drill bore. Pinchum counter boring machine is the center diameter, center depth, chamfer depth, and diameter. Thank you for watching.